Hey, it's Aaron. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out SoundCampaign and maybe you're wondering, can you actually get paid to listen to music? All right, let's see if this is the good or the ugly. On this channel, I review and research tons of different ways to make money online. And SoundCampaign looks pretty cool. They seem like a legitimate platform. So let's find out whether you can really make money just by listening to music, okay? Now, SoundCampaign is basically a music promotion website. So if you come to the main website, a lot of artists will come to SoundCampaign and use them to actually promote their music to get seen, all right? But you can also become something called a curator. So if you click on Become a Curator, you're going to land on this site right here where you can apply to become a curator, curate music, give feedback, and actually get paid for listening to music, which is pretty cool. So if you've got a Spotify playlist, and you meet the minimum requirements, and we'll talk all about that, and you love music and you want to give reviews and you want to make a little bit of money from it, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with SoundCampaign, all right? So you can click apply now right here. This is global, all right, from all over the world, and there's a few things that you can expect, right? So paid per review. All right, so you can earn up to $14 per song, but it's basically between $1 and $14. All right, and we'll talk about that in a second. Instant payouts direct to your bank account, which is really cool. All right, they support a lot of indie artists, okay, but different music niches as well, which is really, really cool. All right, and let's have a look at what are the requirements. So very, very important, okay? Not everybody can join this. The minimum requirement is you must, number one, use Spotify, all right? You must be a paid Spotify user, all right? You should be, because Spotify is super cool, right? But if you're not, you can't join this program, all right? You must have no fewer than 1,000 followers on any one of your playlists, all right? Number two, you have to have a minimum of 20 tracks on your playlist. And number three, they must be naturally and organically gained, and they have to be active listeners, all right? So no usage of bots or anything like that. If you do that, then unfortunately, you can't actually join this program, all right? A few different things, right? Expected behaviors. When you do a review, you are expected to have listened to the song thoroughly before actually reviewing the song, right? If you don't pay close attention to the sound quality, making sure that there's nothing to distract you while you listen, then it's going to be very easily noticeable in your actual reviews, and you're not going to get paid, all right? We expect your reviews to be detailed and explanatory, aiming at helping the artist to develop and improve. All right. So forbidden behaviors, and these are really, really important, right? You can't obviously submit a song without reviewing the actual song, actually listening to the song, right? Don't share any personal contact information. Don't contact the artist outside of the platform, all right? And you cannot leave vague or abstract or generic reviews. Like, so saying something like, good track, but it doesn't fit my playlist, is not useful for the actual artist. So those are the most important things that you have to understand, all right? Now, if you're able to follow all of these and you qualify, and that's really important. So qualifying right here, you can actually apply directly over here on their website, apply there, right? They'll get back to you, okay? And then the important thing is, how does it depend on how much you get paid? Like, how much will you actually get paid? So this is important, right? So for the most part, when you first join, your playlist will probably rank right at the bottom. So they got 15 positions of ranking, okay? Each position will be different. So if you rank number 1, you're gonna get paid $1 per review. If you rank number 5, you're gonna get $5 per review. If you rank number 14, you're gonna get $14 per review, okay? Now, for the most part, when you first join, you're gonna have a rank of number 1. Right? The way that you increase your ranking is basically building a bigger playlist, getting more followers, and also the more reviews and the more work that you do with SoundCampaign, the higher your rank will be, and then the more money that you're actually going to make. All right, so this is something that takes a little bit of time. You're not going to start making $14 per review instantly, okay? It does take a little bit, but it does, this is one of those things where if you do enjoy listening to music and you've got a Spotify playlist, which is pretty decent, it meets all of these little requirements that we saw right here, then this might be a little cool way for you to make some additional money. Now, this is not going to be fast because, look, it does take time to review songs, right? And when you start at $1 a review, that's actually pretty little, right? Maybe later on as you start to grow, it's going to start to get a bit better, but this does take a lot of effort. All right, this is not one of those get rich quick things. You're not going to make money super duper fast. You're not going to be able to replace your full-time job with this. This is one of those things where it's cool on the side money. It's a little bit of bonus income. All right, so if you want to check it out, you can come to soundcamps.com and find the curator section, and you can apply there if you want to review music and get paid a little bit of money for doing that. All right. Now, if you're here right now watching this video, maybe this is the first time you're on my channel. On this channel, we review all sorts of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. For me, there was one I tested and spent a lot of money on, and I've tested a lot of them anyway, but this one changed my life. I've actually generated hundreds of thousands of dollars from this particular online strategy. I think it's great for beginners. Anyone who wants to learn to earn some big income from home, if you would like to check this strategy out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you exactly how I used it to change my life, and maybe it can change yours as well. Free masterclass is down below, right below this video. Hope you enjoyed this review of SoundCampaign, and I will see you on the next one. All the best.